When you think about boosting the value of your home in the villages, you might immediately consider remodeling kitchens or updating bathrooms. However, one of the smartest investments you can make is replacing your windows. Window replacement not only enhances curb appeal but also delivers long-term financial benefits that directly increase your property's value. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially in a community like the villages where homes are well kept and potential buyers value aesthetics. Old, worn, or outdated windows can make even a beautiful home appear neglected. Replacing them with modern, stylish designs gives your property an instant facelift. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, sleek sliding options, or elegant picture windows, fresh installations immediately improve your home's exterior appearance. This upgraded curb appeal makes your house more attractive to buyers and can command a higher asking price when you decide to sell. Improving energy efficiency. Florida's climate, with its hot summers and humid conditions, puts a strain on cooling systems. Older windows often have poor insulation, allowing heat to penetrate indoors and forcing your air conditioning to work harder. New energy-efficient windows provide advanced insulation that keeps cool air inside and blocks out excess heat. This improvement translates into lower monthly energy bills, a benefit today's buyers look for. In fact, energy efficiency is often a deciding factor in real estate transactions. A home with modern, insulated windows can stand out from the competition, giving you a strong return on your investment. Increasing comfort and livability. Beyond energy savings, window replacement enhances the comfort of your living spaces. New windows reduce drafts, minimize condensation, and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Many modern models also offer UV protection, shielding your furnishings, flooring, and artwork from fading due to Florida's strong sun. For homeowners in the villages, where enjoying natural light is part of the lifestyle, this means you can keep your home bright without worrying about damage or uncomfortable heat. Buyers see these features as added value, making your home more desirable in a competitive market. Boosting security and safety. Another way window replacement adds value is through improved safety. Older windows may have outdated locks or frames that are easier to force open. Newer models come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, and stronger frames that provide peace of mind. Safety upgrades are especially important for retirees and families living in the villages who want to feel secure in their homes. Prospective buyers recognize these features as essential, making your property more appealing and potentially raising its resale value. Reducing maintenance. Maintaining old, wooden, or deteriorating windows can be time-consuming and costly. Regular painting, caulking, and repair work add up over time. Modern replacement windows are designed with low-maintenance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that resist warping, rotting, and fading. This low-maintenance aspect appeals to buyers who want to enjoy their home without constant upkeep. For retirees in the villages, the promise of reduced maintenance is especially attractive, further strengthening your home's overall value proposition. Delivering strong ROI. According to industry experts, window replacement consistently ranks as one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment. Homeowners often recoup a significant percentage of the installation cost when selling their property. Combined with the benefits of energy savings, comfort, and improved curb appeal, it's clear why this upgrade is considered a wise financial move. Conclusion. For homeowners in the villages, window replacement is more than just a cosmetic update. It's an investment that improves comfort, lowers energy costs, enhances security, and increases resale value. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to enjoy your home more, replacing your windows is a decision that pays off in multiple ways. By making this upgrade, you're not only protecting your investment but also creating a more comfortable, efficient, and attractive home in one of Florida's most desirable communities.